Hey guys, it's Wes, not your normal miner here. Today I got another fun one for you. Today we got an episode of Worker Works. That's right, that is the day-to-day life of a GPU mining farmer. We're here in the war room or in the office. Wanted to talk with you guys a little bit about what we've been working on with this rig here. One of the team members noticed that this rig, one of the team members, Tim, said that this rig had been having a lot of restarts. Well, previously to what you see here, there were what we called white risers, and those white risers were several years old. And what I mean by that is they had been out here for quite some time. So what we did was we did go ahead and switch out all the risers on this worker. We got it fired up with 7 GPUs. Well, we then found out that count them, 2 of these GPUs are actually overheating. And what I mean by that is they're running 80 to 85. So with the issues with the risers, unfortunately, the risers were pinging, causing us to not really be able to see the overheat issue. Once we got all the risers switched and all the GPUs online, you can see their temps there. You got one that's 62C, that's definitely going to be a problem. But poolside on HIVEOS, they're reporting 80 and 85. So we're going to have to go ahead and probably do some new thermal paste or something on that. It could just be that those GPUs are worn out as well. So we are using HIVEOS, something that we've been using here at the farm. We've definitely noticed a lot of great things, stability. And when I say stability, guys, that's workers staying online and hashing has been second to none compared to HIVEOS. But we are also using Team Red Miner, and what we found with Team Red Miner is it eases into the overclocks and such versus ram jamming it hard like Phoenix Miner was. Well, Team Red Miner is more focused on and specific for AMD GPUs. You know, here that we got these MSIs, but then again, these are RX 470s. But that Phoenix Miner was more for NVIDIA here. So we are in the war room. Another one that the team's been working on, and Tim's here, he's working on getting the rewiring of this one done. You can see that it does have a server power supply. Well, previously to that server power supply, we had ATX power supplies. Well, what we were noticing was this one did have 3 different power supplies on it, and we were noticing some issues, restarts, not hashing, not staying online. So what Tim did was he brought it in here and he went ahead and rewired it. He pulled those other power supplies off. He did do ahead and went ahead and tested them to make sure, you know, they were working fine or not working fine, discarded the ones that weren't working. He went ahead and got all new risers set up here and rewired it. And we are using that ASRock H110 Pro BTC Plus motherboard like we've talked with you guys about in the past. And we do have 1400 watt server power supplies. But what he's done with that is that's going to make things work a lot more stable in the heat. And we are coming into the heat season here in the Midwest. We do find that some of these ATX power supplies, sometimes they just get worked a little bit too hard. And that does cause our workers to shut down. So with this episode of Worker Work, if you guys are new to the channel, you better hit that subscription icon in the upper right hand corner. That way you can keep up with it. This episode of Worker Works, we've been in here in the office in our war room. Just wanted to show you guys a couple things that we've been up to. As far as that goes, Tim's busting it out. I can't wait to see this rig hashing again. We were able to get 43 hashing, and that's what we want. I mean, we need GPUs hashing. Stability is key, but there's still some more work to be done on that. If you guys like these videos, give us a thumbs up, comment down below, let us know what else you want to see in the Worker Work series. But these Worker Work videos are the behind the scenes day-to-day life of a GPU mining farmer. Hope you guys like this video. Really appreciate your time. Appreciate you guys, the community, for having us in your home. My name's Wes, not your normal miner. Thank you.